Those are your apples. Put them back in the fridge. Good job. What are you doing? You gonna close the fridge? All done?
Have you ever had it where you feel like you are just
Done.
in the zone spiritually, and then how do you know?